Do you think graphite pencils are only good for sketching? Well, you must think again. Here are 7 hacks that will change the way you draw, which are perfect for beginners and they are also very easy to try. Hack number 1 is to lightly erase your sketch, but don't erase it completely, just enough so you can still see it. This helps you avoid thick distracting lines later on, which can make your artwork look cartoonish if you are aiming for a realistic look. By softening the sketch at the start, you can focus on the next steps of your drawing without getting confused by all the heavy outline lines. It's an easy trick that makes the rest of the process much smoother. Hack number 2 is to always start with a light hand and build your drawing gradually. As beginners, it's easy to get impatient and want to skip steps to reach the final drawing quickly. But skipping the steps usually creates more problems. Starting with a light layer and slowly adding more layers until you reach the tone you want is really important. This is a key step in moving from beginner to more advanced graphite skills, and you'll see the difference in how your artwork is going to evolve. Hack number 3 is to use multiple pencil grades instead of just one and control how hard you press to create smooth gradients. For example, using 3 graphite pencils, like an HB, 4B and an 8B, which makes it easier to build a gradient without accidentally pressing too hard in the middle of the layer and leaving a mark you can't fix. If you only use one pencil, for example an 8B, for the whole process, it's easy to press too hard by mistake somewhere in the layering process, and then that line might stay visible in your final drawing as well. Getting rid of it will give you a headache, and that if you are lucky enough to make it disappear, because sometimes you can't. By layering with different pencils, you can create smooth transitions more easily and also safely. It's a very simple trick, but it can make your drawing look more clean and professional. Hack number 4 is, after laying down a layer of graphite, don't just leave it like that. Smudge it using a makeup brush. Makeup brushes are inexpensive, easy to find, and a must-have for your beginner graphite kit. They are a total game changer. The brush pushes the graphite pigment into the paper's texture, leaving a smooth, even layer that instantly makes your artwork look more realistic. They are also very easy and really satisfying to use, and you can repeat the process as many times as you want. After blending with the brush, you can add another layer of graphite and push it into the paper again, and so on until you achieve the desired result. Hack number 5 is to draw hair backwards. So a dark layer first, and then create highlights with a precision eraser. First, lay down a graphite layer for the hair and blend it. Then, use a precision eraser to lift thin lines and create individual strands. I use the Tombow Mono Zero eraser, and I highly recommend adding one to your beginner graphite kit because it really makes a huge difference. This trick instantly creates highlights that make the hair look realistic, giving your drawing life in seconds. After creating highlights with your precision eraser, you can go back in and make the surrounding areas a bit darker with your pencil. This makes the highlights pop even more and gives the hair extra depth and realism. It's an easy way to make your drawing look three-dimensional without any complicated techniques. Just a few careful strokes can completely transform a patch of hair and make your artwork pop. Hack number 6 is to use a kneaded eraser for subtle, very controlled highlights. Earlier, we saw how a precision eraser can create bold, strong highlights. A kneaded eraser works in the opposite way. It's perfect for gentle, soft touches. If you're a beginner, you probably got a kneaded eraser with your graphite set that you bought but didn't know how to use it, or you never saw it or heard about it. Luckily, you're watching this video. You can shape this eraser however you want and gently dab it over your pencil layer to lift the graphite. It works by absorbing the graphite, leaving a soft highlight behind without removing all the pigment. This makes it perfect for small, subtle details, like the highlight on a bird's beak or brightening a specific area in your drawing without erasing everything. Hack number 7 and the last one is to use a piece of wood to create realistic wood textures. Instead of trying to draw every line by hand, you can press your pencil over a textured piece of wood to transfer the natural grain on your paper. This is an easy way to add realistic patterns and details without extra effort. This trick is perfect for drawing wooden objects, floors or backgrounds with natural wood grain. Just lay your paper over the piece of wood, rub your graphite gently, and you'll see the texture appear instantly. Then you can enhance it a bit with just a few strokes with your graphite pencil to make it fit a bit more in your drawing. And there you have it, 7 beginner hacks that make graphite pencils way more versatile than you thought. Try them in your next drawing and you're going to see that they make a huge difference. If you want to learn even more about graphite, I have 2 full graphite tutorials on my Patreon and I'll be adding more soon. These tutorials will help you learn step by step how to create realistic drawing from start to finish. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video and I'm going to pin a comment so you can check it out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and please share in the comments any other hacks that might help fellow beginners. Thank you for watching and I'm going to see you in my next video.